Hey guys, Katie here. Hey, listen, have you ever been in a place where, let me just ask you a quick question. Have you ever been in a place where you felt like you had options or you kind of struggled with like two different paths and you weren't sure which direction that you wanted to go? Well, here's the thing. Here's one thing I know. I've been at these crossroads, I can't tell you how many times. The truth is that if you really truly want to succeed at something, okay, if you really truly want to succeed, you've got to go in one direction until that fully comes to fruition, to whatever it is that you want to do. And then you can start building upon that if that's what you want to do. If say you're faced with a path and you got two paths or maybe three or four, you pick one. You just do. And you just go in that direction and you go all out like you ain't got plan B. That's just the thing. Because here's what happens is you teeter-totter with other things that you know that you could be doing. Like, for example, I actually know a lot of people that can be successful at a lot of things, And there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with being successful at numerous things. But if you have multiple things that you're dipping into, you'll lose focus and there won't be like this, it just won't be as fulfilling as if you just focused on one thing and built that to where you wanted it and then you move on from there. Does that make sense? So you gotta treat what you got like you don't got plan B. That's just what you have to do. And it really takes setting aside distractions, which leads to destruction. It really takes setting aside what you think you know. It just takes focus. You got to focus on that one direction until it's fully where you want it to be. And then you can move on to the next project. Or maybe you're a business owner and you like to run multiple businesses, which I have too. But here's the thing. If you treat everything like you have options, then you're never going to be fully committed. And when you're never fully committed, you don't get the results that you desire. And then basically what you're doing is you're just beating your head up against the wall. You are. You're just causing your own frustration. And I've been there. I can't tell you how many times I've been there, not sure of what I wanted to do, what I didn't want to do. And it just basically led to frustration. So I had to make a decision, which was this decision, actually what I'm doing now. 7 months ago, I found myself broke. And even though I was bringing in money and I was on unemployment starting in 2009, lived off unemployment for a year. And then, I wanted to stay at home with my daughter. So I had run other businesses, home businesses, and I had some success, but I also roller coastered, as well. And because of that, I never really had that big success. And it was a combination of a lot of reasons, but ultimately one of them was just staying focused in one area. That's just the truth, I mean, there's other things, but ultimately you got to stay focused and you got to treat what you got like you don't got plan B. And if you want something that can radically change your life, like it is for me, so I went from broke to making thousands of dollars daily, monthly, weekly, whatever. It's insane. Now, I can't guarantee you're going to get those same kind of results, but what I can guarantee is if you just click the link below, you would have made a decision to get started. So, I'll see you on the inside. Get started, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.